In the previous online test, most students did very well. Okay, the online test, most students did very well, and the mean is 88 marks. Okay, and now I just pick up a few multiple choice questions, which is many students did not get the correct answer, and I just go through it very fast. In triangle, question 3, okay. In triangle ABC, M is the midpoint. You just draw any triangle ABC. Okay, M is the midpoint. Okay. Which of the following must pass through the point M? The first one, the altitude of BC, this one, okay, does not pass through M. And then the second one, okay, the second one, the median, that is AM, okay, of course this is pass through M. And the third one is the perpendicular bisector. The median, you draw a perpendicular line, but this is the bisector, okay. So the third one is also correct. So the answer is 2 and 3, that is D, okay. And we go to the second question, okay. You know that the area of ABD, that is this one, is 20, okay. And now you are going to ask to find out the whole one, okay. You know this part only 4, and then this part is 8, okay. So I'm going to find out this part, okay, this part, okay. You see that they are of the same height, so the ratio is, if this is 20, then 4 cm to 8 cm, that is doubled. So here the area is 40, okay. But the answer is not 40, okay. Some students very careless get the answer is 40 cm square. The answer is 60, because the whole one, 20 and 40, that is 60, okay. Now we go to this question, okay. Many students get the correct wrong answer. Okay, this is very simple. I do know that they know how to do it, but they are very careless, okay. I put this photo, this figure into like this, okay. Make sure that this is the 20 degrees, okay, and this is the 40 degrees. And what you're going to find is the height of the building. This is this one, H, okay, this one, H, okay. Most students find the PR first, PR, that is this one, okay. I call this X, okay, this line is X, okay, by using tangent 40 degrees, this one. And then once we find out that we find SR, we can find out SR, that is SR is this one, okay, SR, okay. SR is 26 meter, then you can find out, but the answer is not 26 again. Don't be very careless, okay. The answer should be the whole one, 60 minus this 26. So the answer should be 34, D, okay, 34D. And then we go to question 7, okay. It should be very simple. You just check whether 3 lines adding, any 2 adding up is greater than the third one, okay, and 3 plus 1 is greater than 3, okay. The first one seems correct, okay, and then I try to do this one, okay, using purple color, okay, this one. You see that 2 plus 4 is less than 7, okay, less than 7. So this is wrong, okay. And then I try the third one, is 2 plus 6 equals to 8, is not greater than, so it is again not correct. So the correct answer is only A, right? Some students say that 1 and 3 is something like that because they forget it is not, it should be greater than, okay? And question 8 is a little bit difficult for some of the students because they do not know this word acute angle triangle, okay? Acute angle triangle means that every angle is less than 90 degrees, okay? Acute angle. So this is acute angle triangle. And what is not an acute angle triangle? You can draw it like this. This is not acute angle triangle, okay? Because this is greater than 90 degrees, okay? And now I see the circumcenter. Circumcenter is composed of the perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector, okay? Perpendicular bisector. And here, the perpendicular bisector. You know that only two intersection of two lines, okay? So this is always inside the circle, okay? This is always inside the circle. If you want to see this one, okay, this one. If this is an obtuse angle, this one, perpendicular bisector, and then this one, perpendicular bisector here, you see the center lies outside, okay? But we are talking about this case, so this is correct, okay? And then we draw back another triangle, ortho center, like this, ortho center, okay? The ortho center means perpendicular, okay? Perpendicular from this point, okay, perpendicular from this point, and here the perpendicular from this point, okay, only two lines is okay. Inside, okay, and the in center is the angle bisector, okay, the angle bisector. You see that the circle is here, so the in center must be inside. So all three are correct. The answer is D, okay?